In this video, we're breaking down 5 real and profitable AI businesses you can start in 2025. And these are not Shopify, dropshipping, TikTok shops, or using trendy AI tools to make thumbnails for someone else. We're talking about actual businesses that are in demand, already working, and can be started today, even if you're a complete beginner. And one of these is so in demand, we're doing it ourselves. Let's get started. Let me guess, you were probably not expecting it. So, before we show you how easy it is to start this, and how people are literally building full-on agencies around it, let's quickly talk about why this made it to our list. There are over 35 million businesses in the US alone, and every single day, around 12,000 new businesses are born. Now, that might sound exciting, but here's the flip side. For every job opening in a corporate company, over 250 people apply, and guess how many actually get called in for an interview? Less than 5. Yes, you heard it right. So, what's stopping the other 245 plus? It's not always skills. It's not always experience. It's their resume. See, businesses are getting smarter with how they hire. Over 98% of Fortune 500 companies now use something called an ATS, short for Applicant Tracking System. It's an AI-powered filter that scans resumes for keywords, layout, formatting, achievements, and instantly throws out anything that doesn't match. This means most resumes never even reach human eyes unless they're properly optimized. So here's the opportunity. What if you knew how to create resumes that actually pass these filters? What if you could offer this as a service, helping people get real callbacks? And here's the best part. You don't need to be a resume expert because I will do most of the heavy lifting for you. Let me show you exactly how to start this business step by step, right from today. Step 1. Learn the basics of how ATS works. Just a quick Google search will show you what formats it likes, which fonts to use, and what to avoid, like fancy headers or footers. Step 2. Use free AI resume tools. Tools like Rezi.ai, Enhancv, or HyperWrite Resume Optimizer are built for this. They help you scan job descriptions, rewrite bullet points, and even give a score for how hireable a resume looks. Step 3. Offer a simple service. Start by offering resume rewriting plus ATS optimization. You can add extras later, like cover letters or LinkedIn profile makeovers. Step 4. Build a tiny portfolio. Take 2 to 3 test resumes. Use your own or help a friend. Optimize them and show the before-after difference. Put these examples on a free website like Notion or Card, or even just a PDF portfolio. Step 5. Start offering your service. Go on Fiverr, Upwork, or even Reddit job communities. Share value, show your process, and offer a free sample to get your first few clients. And before you doubt whether you will really get a client, here is the thing. Some freelancers are already charging $50 per resume, and they're getting repeat clients. Why? Because most job seekers don't know about ATS. But here's a question. Can you actually turn this small skill into a real business? The answer is yes. Let me explain how. Once you get a few clients and your process down, you can automate parts of it by hiring some virtual assistants. At this point, you're not just a freelancer. You're running a mini agency. So if you're still waiting for the perfect AI business to start, don't go anywhere, because the next idea on our list, it's something you can run from your phone, and the way it makes money might actually surprise you. This one again might look unusual, but here's the point. Most trendy AI business ideas are already getting saturated. Everyone is doing AI content, AI thumbnails, and AI dropshipping. But AI can do way more than that, and this idea proves it. This business solves a real problem, and you know what? Barely anyone is doing it. Local businesses like cafes, salons, gyms, and small shops live or die, but most have no idea what their customers are thinking, what's trending nearby, or what competitors are doing differently. That's where you step in. You use AI to collect public data from Google reviews, social posts, local events. Then you plug that into ChatGPT or other tools to find real insights, what customers like, hate, and want more of. Let's say a cafe keeps getting 4-star reviews. You run their reviews through ChatGPT and find a clear pattern. People love the drinks, but say lunch service is too slow. You take that, pair it with a stat like, according to research, over 42% of cafe customers complain about wait times. Now that one line alone can convince the client to act immediately. And not only that, with AI, you can go a step further. You ask ChatGPT, what are the best low-cost ways to reduce lunch wait times in cafes? It gives you 5 solid options. You pick the best 2 and include them in your report. You didn't guess. Instead, you brought real data, a real problem, and a smart solution. And this is how you can build a full business around this. Turn that into a monthly service. You deliver short reports, suggest local ad angles, maybe even generate content ideas. In the beginning, you can start with one client and scale it from there. Now, you know what? This business checks every box. No big investment, low competition, high-value proven demand, and, of course, it's completely AI-driven. And the best part? Most people don't even know this is possible yet. If you think this is going to be like those mass-produced ebooks or lead magnets everyone's giving away in exchange for an email, you're wrong. Let's explain what this microcourse creation is and why it's quietly becoming one of the most valuable content businesses out there. A microcourse actually means 5 to 30-minute lessons on one exact issue. Something people can consume fast, apply immediately, and remember. Now, before we get into how it works with an example, remember that the demand for these types of courses is exploding. Just check these stats. The microlearning industry is already worth $2.6 billion and is projected to reach $6.8 billion by 2033. Another report says it could hit $7.9 billion by 2030. So, this isn't hype. This is where digital education actually is going. One microcourse, one real problem, packaged well, that's all you need. And here is how it works. Let's say you want to make a course on AI side hustles. Simply go on Reddit. Specifically threads like R Entrepreneur or Side Hustle, where people are already sharing the best tips, tools, and money-making tricks they've tried themselves. Collect the best, most upvoted comments from different threads. You'll find hundreds, sometimes thousands, of real answers. Then, use ChatGPT to help you sort through them. Ask it to pull out the top ideas, clean them up, and group them into lessons. So, with this, you've got the content for a course built on real-world experience, not guesswork. And here is the pro tip to make it look legit. Give it a name that shows the value up front. AI side hustles that actually work, based on 2,387 Reddit comments. See? It sounds researched, real, something people want to check out because it's not your opinion or AI-generated cheap content. You can host it on free platforms like Ko-fi, Gumroad, or Kajabi. You can even let ChatGPT help you write scripts, create slides, or generate voiceovers if you don't want to be on camera. And here, if you think people can go on Reddit and read those suggestions themselves, you are right. But actually, not everyone has that much free time. Also, if they see that they are getting what they want to read in one place, in well-researched and structured way, and to get that all they only need to pay a very small amount of money, they won't hesitate. At least, not all of them. This is the reason why these short micro-courses are becoming so popular. And once you've made one, it keeps working for you. You can sell it, give it away to grow an email list, or even bundle it with other topics. It's scalable, it's evergreen, and you can start it right from today without spending a penny. Most people think app building is dead. Too many apps, too much competition. But that's only true if you build another copy-paste idea. The truth is, app development is still one of the most profitable online businesses, only if you solve a real problem and if you do it well. And now, thanks to no-code tools, you don't need to be a developer, designer, or even tech-savvy. If you're creative, observant, and slightly obsessed with fixing problems, this might be the best time in history to start. Because here's the truth. Most apps suck at truly helping people. Now, there are countless everyday life problems, but let's take one problem we all face: money. Budgeting feels hard, investing feels intimidating, saving feels like punishment. And Gen Z, millennials, we're overwhelmed. So what if you built an app that actually helps with this? Step 1. Go to Reddit or Quora. Search for threads like, "How do I save money with irregular income?" or "Why does budgeting never work for me?" You'll find raw, honest comments from real people. Save them all. Step 2. Feed those comments into ChatGPT. Ask it to find common pain points. Then ask it to write copy, plan features, and even suggest user flows. You now have the structure of your app, made from real problems. Step 3. Use no-code tools to build. Platforms like Glide, Softer, and Adalo let you create polished apps without writing a single line of code. Use Canva for design. Add cool animations with Lottie files. These all will help your app look like it was made by a pro, even if it's your first time. Step 4. Build one core feature that actually solves a pain. Not 100 features, just one. Like, set it and forget it. Savings for freelancers with fluctuating income. Or a visual spending tracker that sends voice notes instead of charts. That one feature is what makes your app memorable and shareable. Now, the big question: why would anyone trust you? The answer is, because your app isn't generic. You didn't build it in a vacuum. You built it after reading thousands of real comments. Once it's live, offer a freemium version. Add a community. Let users grow with it. You can monetize with premium tools, affiliate partnerships, or even licensing. This isn't about tech, it's about solving real-life problems using AI with just a little creativity. And if that excites you, this business is wide open. It's true that AI has opened the doors to so many ways to make money on autopilot, but believe us, YouTube automation is still by far the most genuine, reliable business model running right now. And with the help of AI, it's completely transformed and has become easier than ever. And before we show you exactly how you can start a YouTube automation business in 2025 without spending a single penny, let's talk about some real people who've already done it. David Omari runs 15+ automated YouTube channels. He earns 7 figures a year without ever showing his face. Paul Hilsa built a network of faceless channels, making over $100,000 per month using AI and data strategies. Dave Nick made $50,000 in his first month by using AI tools and targeting highly specific niches. And here's the crazy part: none of them were experts. They just used smart systems, the same ones you're about to see. So let's break it down into 3 simple steps. Step 1. Find the right niche. Spend 1 or 2 full days just watching YouTube. Look for fast-growing faceless channels in niches like tech explainers, AI news, money tips, mystery stories, or top 10s. Look at what types of videos are getting views. Check their upload frequency, their titles, and their thumbnails. Most importantly, read the comments. See what people are excited about, what they complain about, and what they wish existed. If something feels underserved but in demand, that's your opportunity. Step 2. Create your first video. You only need 3 things: a script, a voiceover, and a video. For scripting, use the free version of ChatGPT or Claude AI. For voiceover, use ElevenLabs, which offers a free trial, or an open-source tool with AI voices. Trust us, these voices sound incredibly realistic now. For editing, you've got 2 options. 1. Use an AI tool like Pictory or InVideo AI to auto-generate a video from your script and voiceover. 2. Hire a remote video editor from Fiverr, or post a job in Facebook groups or on LinkedIn. You'll find editors for almost any budget. And by the way, we've made a dedicated video on the 7 best AI tools for YouTubers in 2025. So if you're serious about this, check that out next. Step 3. Launch and grow your channel. Once your first video is ready, use Canva's AI tools to design a thumbnail that actually gets clicks. Add an optimized title, description, and tags. You can use free SEO tools, TubeBuddy or vidIQ Schedule, or publish it using YouTube Studio. Then do it again. Make your second video, then your third. And once you see what works, scale it, either by making more content or by launching a second channel in a related niche. And here's the truth. This system is already working for thousands of creators. The tools are out there, the audience is hungry for content, and AI has made the entire process easier than ever. So if you stick with it and keep showing up, you'll definitely get results like so many YouTubers out there. So, those were the top 5 actually working business ideas you can start in 2025 with the help of AI. Which one seems more promising to you? And if you're serious about starting a YouTube automation business, comment down, I will make video on this. Till now, see you.